Can we really control the weather and save our planet? Today, we're diving into the world of geoengineering, a field that's as fascinating as it is controversial. Imagine a future where we can tweak the Earth's climate to fight global warming. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's called geoengineering, and it might just be our last hope, or our biggest risk. If you're intrigued by the idea of controlling the climate, you're in the right place. Here's what we're exploring today. First, we'll break down what geoengineering is. Next, we'll dive into the two main strategies used in geoengineering. And finally, we'll discuss the potential risks and ethical questions it raises. First things first, what exactly is geoengineering? Geoengineering refers to the deliberate large-scale intervention in the Earth's natural systems to counteract climate change. Imagine using advanced technology to adjust our planet's thermostat. From reflecting sunlight to removing CO2 from the air, these techniques are all about controlling the climate. Ever wondered if this could really work? Now let's explore the two main types of geoengineering and see how they aim to tackle climate change. Geoengineering is divided into two main strategies: solar radiation management, SRM, and carbon dioxide removal, CDR. SRM focuses on reflecting a small percentage of the sun's light and heat back into space. This could involve spraying sulfate aerosols into the stratosphere, mimicking the cooling effect of volcanic eruptions. On the other hand, CDR is all about removing CO2 from the atmosphere and storing it safely. Methods range from planting more trees to advanced technologies like direct air capture and ocean fertilization. Which strategy do you think is more viable? Let me know in the comments. While these methods sound promising, they come with significant risks and ethical dilemmas. Let's talk about the risks and ethical considerations of geoengineering. Geoengineering could have unintended consequences, such as drastic changes in weather patterns, negative impacts on biodiversity, and even geopolitical conflicts over who controls these powerful technologies. Ethically, there's the question of whether we should play God with our planet, and whether relying on these technologies might make us complacent about reducing emissions. What do you think? Are the risks worth the potential benefits? Share your thoughts below. I used to think geoengineering was pure science fiction, but real-world experiments have shown just how close we are to making these ideas a reality. For instance, a project in Iceland called CarbFix is already capturing carbon dioxide and turning it into rock. It's both exciting and a bit scary to think about the power we have to alter our environment. So, to recap, geoengineering involves large-scale interventions in the Earth's climate system, with two main types being solar radiation management and carbon dioxide removal. While these technologies offer potential solutions to climate change, they also pose significant risks and ethical challenges. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into science and technology. For more on engineering and technology, check out our other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching.